Welcome to Tech Talks. In this example, we have been tasked to find a simple price index for 2004, taking 1999 as the base year from the following data. The data which we have, or which they have given us, is having items from A up to F, and then price in 1999, and then we have the price in 2004. So the task is to get simple price index. Simple price index. What you should first note is, how do we find the simple price index? How do we get the simple price index? You should remember that in most cases that simple price index is the same as the simple average price index, which is given by the summation of P1 out of P0 times 100 divided by N. That is our simple price index. Otherwise, it's given by the summation of price relatives or price index divided by N. If you have the price index, it's well and good. You just put them and then you divide by the total number of price index which you have put there. So now that one is giving us a task of finding price index or price relative of each item, and then after we can get the total. After we can get the simple price index, which is from the total or the sum of those price indexes divided by the N or the number. Then we start. So we know that, or we can put all of it in the same column, which will still be okay. But for our case, let us divide. This one is the same as getting the summation of price index divided by N. So we get the price index. But you know that price index or price relatives is given by P1 out of P0 times 100. So we start for one by one. For item A. For item A, our price index, I'm going to be noting it as PI, which is standing for price index, is given by, so here they have said taking 1999 as the base year. So implying this one is our base year and this one is our current year. But we know that P1 is for current year and then P0 is for base year, implying that each item we are taking 1999, or the cost or the price in 1999 is the base year, and then the price in 2004 is the current year. So we start with item A. Our price index is given by, in the new year, which is P1, is 8,000 divided by 6,000 times 100 times 100. The answer we shall get 8,000 divided by 6,000 times 100. We are getting 133. Let us put maybe for this case to 36.3. That one for item A. Then we shall go to item B. So item B, its price index is given by 6,000, which is the price of B in the current year, divided by 5,000, which is the price of B in the base year, times 100. There we shall get our price index as 120. So our price index become 120. Then we go to C. Item C, our price in the current year is 700. So our price index is 7,200 divided by our price in the base year, which is 6,000 times 100. The answer we shall get is 7,200 divided by 6,000 is still 120. So that's the answer. Is still 120. So we go to item D. D, our price index is given by the price in the new year, which is 7,500, divided by the price in the old year, which is 5,000 times 100. The answer we are going to get, if you divide by that one, 7,500 divided by 5,000, we are going to get 150. 150. Then after finishing our item D, we shall go to item E. Our price index will be, our price index is given by price in the new, is given by price in the new year or in the current year, of which our item in the current year is 3,500, of which this one was 3,500. It is 3,775, 3,750 divided by 2,500 times 100. You get, so 3,750 divided by 2,500. Then also here we are getting 150. So there we are getting 150. So we go to our last item, which is F. So our price index is given by, item in the new year, which is 3,000, price divided by 2,000 times 100. Also here we are going to get 150. So there are getting 150. So those are our price relatives or price index. Now after finishing to get the price index or price relative, you come and get the summation of price index or price relative divided by N. That is our simple price index, which equals to summation of price index divided by N. So what is our price index? We have already generated them. We add them. So the first one is 133.33 plus 120 plus 120 and plus 150 plus 150 plus 150. Divide by the number, how many are there? They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So divided by 6. Then this one will give us our simple price index. So it will be 133.33 plus 120 plus 120 plus 150 plus 150 plus 150, which is 3 times. So confirm that what you have pressed is correct. So when you divide by 6, you get 137.22. So this one become our simple price index. Sometimes they may ask you to find simple average price index is also the same. Thank you for watching.